safe outside.
Absolutely. So we have two weather stories today. We're talking about the heat and then now the chance for some storms.
It would be nice if I would just say, hey, you know what? We got a nice, cool air mass moving in. It's going to be awesome for the 4th of July. I can't exactly say that. So let's get right to it. There's a lot to talk about here, including the monster hail that hit earlier today. It was only in Fond du Lac County and only in Sheboygan County, and it was really only right along Highway 23. So it kind of followed that. Look at the size of it. That's a $50 piece right there. That's baseball-sized hail. That'll do a lot of damage. I'm guessing a lot of insurance adjusters will be making their way into Sheboygan and Fond du Lac counties. In other parts of Fond du Lac, wasn't that big, a little bit bigger than quarter size there. Same kind of story here in Sheboygan. Nonetheless, we had a lot of reports of some bigger hail and some hail earlier in the day into Elkhart Lake. Watch this. Our hail tracker here showing right along Highway 23. Plymouth had the hail, Greenbush had the hail, Sheboygan Falls, Sheboygan, but I think the biggest hail was there on the south side of Fond du Lac. And all those little circles, those are all the storm reports of all the hail. Our Neighborhood Weather Network does a great job of showing you, hey, not everybody got in the rain. And really, even in Fond du Lac County, zilch in Campbellsport, not that far away in Eden, 6600s, in Fond du Lac, 8100s. Then some other spots, not that much. Again, it was really right along here, including in Sheboygan, a ½ inch, southern section of Sheboygan County, nothing. Hot and humid all the way through Sunday. Not as bad in the weekend, but still hot and humid. Storms likely now through Sunday. Not all day rains, but potential for severe weather, at least for the next couple of days. Extreme heat warning has been extended until 10 o'clock on Thursday. Severe threat for tonight. Well, now we've ramped it up to level 3. It's going to be later on tonight. I think it's going to be after we get dark. Storm impacts, hail. I think damaging wind likely a bigger threat overnight. Can't say we won't see a tornado threat. It's low. Flooding threat is low, but we have to watch out. We've got a lot of moisture in the air. Severe threat for tomorrow. Yes, here we go again. Wind and hail being the biggest risk. Severe threat again on Friday. Wind and hail being the biggest risk. Satellite shows all the cloud cover out to the west of us. Eventually, we'll see thunderstorms start bubbling up out there, and some of those will make their way into our area. Better chances would be in our northern counties again. Then it's one round after another after another. Can I give you exact timing on any of this? No, I think tonight, if you have plans this evening, should be all right. But we do have thunderstorm chances all the way through Independence Day. Summerfest's back tomorrow, and it will be hot. It will be sticky. Lots of dry time. Still 85. That's the coolest spot. We've had 3 days in a row in the 90s. We will not set the record streak, which is 10 in a row back in 1953. Hot one again tomorrow, 94. It's still hot on Friday. Saturday, 4th of July. It is not going to rain all day, but it's likely going to rain and some thunderstorms at some point. Impact days because of the thunderstorms on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, finally drying out next week, right after the holiday weekend. That's not fair.
Well, we can't have it all always.
There you go.
Thank you, Mark.
And we'll be right back. Stay with us.